In this video, I'm going to show you 5 super delicious, calorie-heavy meals that you can thoroughly enjoy on your thru hike. From quick on-the-go entrees to nice, hot, steamy dinners, by the end of this video, you're going to have 5 solid meals in your arsenal that you can make at any time on your next thru hike. And if this is the kind of info you're looking for, go ahead and hit subscribe right now and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Now let's get started. Number 1, the Cob Knocker Mochaccino. A cob knocker is a hiking term for the first person on the trail in the mornings that knocks down all the spider cobwebs. You're going to need 2 packets of Starbucks Via Coffee, Carnation Chocolate Instant Breakfast, oatmeal, dehydrated milk, protein powder, and for bonus points, add some Phat Fudge. This liquid-based meal is more of an energy-dense breakfast snack that will help you get up and moving in the morning. The caffeine in the coffee will help to jumpstart your day. The oatmeal will help to satiate your morning hunger. The Carnation Instant Breakfast has plenty of carbs, nutrients and vitamins, stuff like that. And the protein powder will help to contribute to your daily protein requirement. To prepare, simply boil water, add all the ingredients, and stir. That's it. Boom! You have yourself a backwoods foofy drink with some actual nutrients mixed in.
There's a coffee in here. Tastes good.
A little too sweet?
No, it's good.
Oh, okay. I thought you were being nice for my video.
No, I'm not. I will be honest. I like it. I can't stop having it.
Good. Number 2, the 1-minute fish burrito. You're going to need a burrito tortilla, tuna or salmon, Cheez-Its or chips of your choice, cheese, Tabasco, and any spices you want to add. Sometimes you're hauling so much ass that you don't really want to stop and cook a long lunch. You just want a nice quick meal that will hold you over until you get a chance to cook a nice long dinner. In those scenarios, the 1-minute fish burrito may be your best bet. To prepare, simply lay out your burrito-style tortilla, line the center of it with cheese, add your favorite chips, crunch them up if necessary for a better fit. Apply tuna or salmon, and then sprinkle with Tabasco sauce, then garnish with salt, pepper, or whatever spices you want. Then roll into a burrito like so. The result is a delicious cold sandwich burrito that can really hit the spot if you need a quick fix of carbs, calories, salt, and protein.
First try.
You don't like it?
I don't know yet. I like it.
Cool.
The Cheez-Its and the tuna together make a very, it's delicious. Yeah. Like the idea of having tuna with Cheez-Its was weird at first, but it's delicious.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Glad you like it.
Oh, and the Tabasco is what, like I would add more,
Okay.
personally. But.
Okay. Awesome. Number 3, the advanced ramen bomb. You're gonna need ramen, instant mashed potatoes, bacon bits, cheese, Tabasco, and spices. The ramen bomb is a thru hiking classic, a holy matrimony of ramen and mashed potatoes together. But the advanced ramen bomb takes this classic to a whole new level. A level of flavor explosion. Even though I'm calling it advanced, there's really nothing difficult or challenging about making this advanced ramen bomb. There's just a few additional tasty ingredients to help kick your taste buds in their taste balls. It will also provide more carbs, calories, protein, and sodium to your ramen bomb. To prepare, add twice as much water into your pot that you would normally use to make a packet of ramen. This way you have plenty of fluid for the mashed potatoes to mix with. Bring the water to a boil and add the ramen first. You can either let it boil for another minute or two, or you can just let the ramen soak for a couple minutes in the hot water. Next, add your Idahoan potatoes to the mix. Idahoan makes the best instant mashed potatoes that I have found, so steer clear of other brands like Betty Crocker or Hungry Jack because they simply make inferior instant potatoes. And Idahoan has their taters dialed in on point. They didn't pay me to say that. While it's still nice and hot, you want to add the cheese of your desire. I would recommend bringing along block cheese instead of sliced cheese because if you're through hiking, either way it's going to melt into one big cheesy clump. And it can be annoying to pick out the paper dividers from a melted ball of sliced cheese.
Melted ball of sliced cheese.
So just bring a block, cut off what you need, throw it in, and mix it around. Last, add your bacon bits, Tabasco sauce, and any spices that you want to add. And boom, you are ready to stuff your face with a super easy hot trail meal, which took what, like 4 minutes to make? Super quick.
See what it tastes like. It looks very creamy. I can definitely see the potatoes. Smells Tabasco. It's hot. It is very rich.
Flavor
Like I can just have a couple bites of this and I will feel full, yeah. But I think if you walk like 20 miles and then you have this at the end of the day, it's pretty. I think it would be very satisfying.
Yeah.
It's delicious. You know, again, personally, I would add more Tabasco. That's just me.
Okay.
But it's delicious.
Number 4, the sweet tooth taquito. You're gonna need a burrito tortilla, peanut butter, or almond butter if you're fancy, Nutella, granola, and dehydrated fruit. When you need to devour carbs, get some protein, stock up on calories, and get your sugar fix without even having to boil water, the sweet tooth taquito may be your best friend. This was my breakfast every single morning for months when I was on the PCT in 2017. It definitely isn't the healthiest of foods, but most through hiking food isn't. I used to call this a burrito, but to be fair, I don't actually fold the ends in like a burrito, so I guess it's more of a taquito. Gotta be fair. To prepare, lay out your tortilla and slather with peanut butter right down the middle. Now you want to anoint the peanut butter with Nutella. Next, add your favorite mixture of granola and garnish with your choice of dehydrated fruit. If you're able to recognize blackberries or other type of edible fruits in the wild, this is a perfect place to throw it in as well. I don't actually have dehydrated fruit right now, but I do have blackberries, so I'm gonna throw those in. Next, wrap it up and devour with your morning cup of coffee for tastiest results.
Very sweet. Very rich again. The fruits balance it out. It's again very rich. Crunchy. Obviously Nutella and peanut butter delicious. Yeah, and I like the fruit because it balances out the sweetness.
Number 5, the Trail Burrito Supreme. You're gonna need a burrito-style tortilla, Knorr Rice, your favorite flavor, dehydrated refried beans. Today the grocery store did not have dehydrated refried beans, so I'm just going to use regular refried beans for the example. Cheese, summer sausage, bacon bits, Tabasco, and spices. There is nothing like a huge, hot, steamy meal after a long day of hiking in the wilderness. Out of all the trail meals I've had, they all pale in comparison to the Trail Burrito Supreme. When the hiker hunger comes at me strong, this beast of a burrito completely annihilates all traces of that hunger. Especially because when you make it, you should have enough hot rice and beans to make 2 burritos and maybe even 3 if you spread it out a little bit. This is what I crave the most when I'm out hiking on the hungriest of days, so I really hope you get a chance to make it out there and that it really satiates your crazy hiker hunger. To prepare, cook a Knorr Rice packet of your choice according to the instructions on the packet. Some flavors have different instructions and cook times, so just follow the package. When the rice is cooked, there should be extra water still in the pot, so add several spoonfuls of dehydrated refried beans until you feel like you've added enough beans to your liking. Stir to mix in the beans with the rice until it's all nicely mixed together. Cut up some of your summer sausage and mix it in with the rice and beans. As you can see, I was unable to get summer sausage from the store today, so I'm just using an alternate. Then add your bacon bits and mix them in. Next, lay out your burrito tortilla and line the center of it with cheese. Add the rice, beans, and meat mixture to the center of your burrito. Sprinkle with Tabasco sauce and add any spices that you so desire. Lastly, fold up your burrito and simply enjoy the powerhouse of a trail meal that you just made for yourself. Like I mentioned, you should have enough hot rice and beans to make 2 burritos, maybe even 3. So this will really hit the spot if you feel like your stomach is just a bottomless pit.
Delicious.
Good. How would you describe it?
Like a burrito, like a legitimate burrito.
Okay.
This would fill me up. It would be very satisfying.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it tastes like a regular burrito, like I would eat in a Mexican restaurant.
Cool.
Flavor explosion.
If there is anything else that you'd like to see me make a video about, I'm looking for ideas, so please post it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say, what's on your mind, what do you want to learn about. So don't be shy, I'm going to reply to each and every one of you. And if you like this video, go ahead and click subscribe and hit that little notification bell down there so you get notified when I put up more videos like this that you'll probably like. You don't want to miss out on that. Until then, feel free to check out the other videos on my channel, and I'll see you next time.